Hello, good morning and welcome back to the next lecture, students. Last class we discussed about the cropping pattern, and today I will be discussing about the major crops. A variety of food crops, non-food crops and plantation crops are grown in different areas in our country depending upon the soil, climate and the cultivation practices. Now, coming back to the flowchart again, as you can see the flowchart is here. Food crops we will be discussing with the grains and the plantation. In the grain section we will be discussing with the rice, wheat, millets, maize and pulses. Moving ahead with the plantation, we will be discussing with sugarcane, oilseeds, tea and coffee. Extending myself with the non-food crops, we will be discussing with the rubber, cotton, jute, hemp and natural silk. And the last, that is horticulture. There are different types of fruits and vegetables. We will be discussing this also.
A variety of food and non-food crops are grown in different parts of the country depending upon the variations in soil, climate and cultivation practices.
Now let's talk about rice. Rice, which is a kharif crop and the most important cereal crop of India. It requires a high temperature, and that should be above 25 degrees Celsius with a high humidity. Rainfall should be above 100 centimeters. In the areas where the rainfall is not so much, that means in the less rainfall areas, it grows with the help of irrigation. Means the field is watered properly, nurtured properly, and then it is used for agriculture or any type of cultivation. It grows in the north and northeastern India, in the coastal areas of deltaic region which supports such agriculture. After proper treatment, the rice is also found in the areas of Punjab and Haryana, in the western Uttar Pradesh and the parts of Rajasthan. It is the second producer, that means India is the second producer after China in the cultivation of rice.
It is the staple food crop of a majority of the people in India. Our country is the second largest producer of rice in the world after China. It is a kharif crop which requires high temperature above 25 degrees Celsius and high humidity with annual rainfall above 100 centimeters. In the areas of less rainfall, it grows with the help of irrigation. Rice is grown in the plains of North and northeastern India. Coastal areas and the deltaic regions. Development of dense network of canal irrigation and tube wells have made it possible to grow rice in areas of less rainfall, such as Punjab, Haryana, and western Uttar Pradesh, and parts of Rajasthan.
Now let's start with wheat. Wheat, which is the second most important cereal crop of India. It is a rabi crop. The temperature required for wheat is 10 to 15 degrees Celsius, and cool, moist and warm weather is required for wheat. Rainfall, which should be annually, that is 50 to 75 centimeters. The two most important wheat growing zones are Ganga-Satluj Basin in northwest and the black soils of Deccan. Area where it is grown are UP, that is Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Bihar, Rajasthan and Haryana. Now coming back to the rice and the wheat, one special feature which you need to know. Rice जो एक ऐसे क्रॉप है जिसे बहुत भारी मात्रा में पानी की जरूरत है, दैट मीन्स वो पानी में ही बोया जाता है, उसे इनिशियल स्टेज से ही पानी जरूरत पड़ता है. लेकिन इफ आई टॉक अबाउट व्हीट, इसे इनिशियल स्टेजेस में पानी बिल्कुल जरूरत नहीं होता है. इसे पानी तब जरूरत पड़ता है जब ये ग्रोइंग स्टेज में आता है, वरना ये धीरे से ही मर जाएगा. तो दीज आर द स्पेशल फीचर्स ऑफ बोथ राइस एंड व्हीट.
Wheat. This is the second most important cereal crop. It is the main food crop in north and northwestern parts of the country. This rabi crop requires a cool growing season and a bright sunshine at the time of ripening. It requires 50 to 75 centimeters of annual rainfall evenly distributed over the growing season. There are two important wheat growing zones in the country, the Ganga-Satluj plains in the northwest and black soil region of the Deccan. The major wheat producing states are Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Rajasthan, and parts of Madhya Pradesh.
So now let's talk about the next grain, that is millets. Millets, which is a coarse grain. Like there are three varieties, that is ragi, bajra and jowar, and it is having high nutritive value. Coming back to the first one, that is ragi. Ragi, which is rich in iron, calcium, micronutrients and roughage. Crop which grows in a dry region, and it is growing well in red, black, sandy and the loamy soils. The producing areas of ragi are Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Himachal Pradesh, Uttaranchal, Sikkim, Jharkhand and Arunachal Pradesh. Moving towards the bajra. Bajra, which grows well on sandy soils and shallow black soil. Rajasthan is the largest producer of bajra, and it is followed by Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat and Haryana. Jowar, the third one. Jowar is the third most important food crop with respect to area and production. It is a rain-fed crop which is grown in the moist areas and which needs a little bit irrigation. The states where jowar grows well are Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh.
Jowar, bajra and ragi are the important millets grown in India. Though these are known as coarse grains, they have very high nutritional value. For example, ragi is very rich in iron, calcium, other micronutrients and roughage. Jowar is the third most important food crop with respect to area and production. It is a rain-fed crop, mostly grown in the moist areas which hardly needs irrigation. Maharashtra is the largest producer of jowar, followed by Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. Bajra grows well on sandy soils and shallow black soil. Rajasthan is the largest producer of bajra, followed by Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat, and Haryana. Ragi is a crop of dry regions and grows well on red, black, sandy, loamy, and shallow black soils. Karnataka is the largest producer of ragi, followed by Tamil Nadu. Apart from these states, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Jharkhand, and Arunachal Pradesh are also important for the production of ragi.
Now let's talk about pulses. India, which is the largest producer and consumer, the major source of protein. The major pulses which is grown in India are tur, urad, moong and masoor. Tur again, it's of two varieties, one with oil and one dry one. The oil one is used in Gujarat and Rajasthan areas, rest other areas we use the non-oil one. Pulses which requires a very less moisture and can survive even in the dry condition. And you might have heard with a proverb, right? I think so you are understanding. Dal roti khao, Prabhu ke gun gao. Yes, it is also considered a dietary food.
India is the largest producer as well as the consumer of pulses in the world. These are the major source of protein in a vegetarian diet. Major pulses that are grown in India are tur or arahar, urad, moong, masoor, peas, and gram. Pulses need less moisture and survive even in dry conditions. Being leguminous crops, all these crops except araher help in restoring soil fertility by fixing nitrogen from the air. Therefore, these are mostly grown in rotation with other crops. Major pulse producing states in India are Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, and Karnataka.
The last topic in the grain section is maize. Maize is a crop which is used both as a food and a fodder crops. It is a kharif crop, but some areas it is also a rabi crop. But it is a kharif crop which requires a temperature of 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. It requires a moderate rainfall, about 50 to 100 centimeters. As I said, some areas like Bihar, it is grown in the Rabi season, so it's a Rabi crop in those sections. The states where maize grows very nicely, that is the Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Madhya Pradesh.
A crop which is used both as food and fodder. It is a kharif crop which requires temperature between 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius and grows well in old alluvial soil. In some states like Bihar, maize is grown in Rabi season also. Use of modern inputs such as HYV seeds, fertilizers, and irrigation have contributed to the increasing production of maize. Major maize producing states are Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, and Madhya Pradesh.